What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am excited today. I've got a play to earn game for you. Before we get in, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so I can bring games like this to you, get it on your radar faster than any other channel. Let's get straight in. So here we go, guys. It's mortalpowers.io, right? Look at this website. I'm going to give you an overview straight away. So we've got the roadmap, the team, the hero support, and FAQs up top. I'm going to talk more about all of this, right? Join Discord and Twitter. Please get involved with them straight away. Links are down below. Please remember to only use trusted links. So let's read their story. In a time where galactical peace was hanging in the balance and heroics are often acts of survival, the evil Streds syndicate plundered and pillaged planets in search of an ancient mystic power called the Valor that would give them ultimate power to the real universe. What does this sound like? This sounds a bit like the Marvel universe, guys, right? Super cool. The fate of the universe has fallen to the hands of an unlikely group of people, and they're fading, okay? As fate would have it, the Streds tracked the location of the Valor and in the ancient mountain of Elic on the home planet of Fanden. Unable to determine who is worthy, the soul of Valor gave each group to use in an arena battle tournament. The victor would receive the power of the Valor and ultimately control over the universe. Super cool. Sounds a bit like Thanos. Sounds a bit like the Avengers. I'm excited. Now let's know more about the project. So we can only dream of having powers of our superheroes, okay? The MP, which is the Mortal Powers, will allow gamers to build avatars and select powers from their greatest heroes. Now their local token is $MPT. Okay, it's used not only for in-game assets, but gamers can also stake it and receive competitive and realistic yield. Our play-to-earn game mode will allow gamers to increase their skills and level by fighting with the MP Dojo. So back to the top, let's have a look at the roadmap we've got. So here's the roadmap, guys. Look at phase 1, okay? It's Q2 of 2022. They're going to launch heroes, minting and Fanden characters. MP holders will be able to stake their NFTs in exchange for a native token unique to the project, which will be used for the game build operations and other future utilities. Phase 2, the marketplace integration. Q2 is buy, sell, trade MP NFTs on the main marketplaces. This will be released soon after launch, plus Discord integration. Okay, moving on through to phase 3. We got the hero support, charitable donations. Mortal Powers will make quarterly donations to support humanitarian causes around the world. Moving on to phase 4, launching the villains. That's the most exciting bit. Fanden NFT holders will have a chance of getting Streds airdrop. Releasing date for minting will come soon after. Phase 5, game pilot launch, and the lucky MP holders will have the opportunity to test the pilot MP game beta. And phase 6, game launch. MP early adapters will receive MTS airdrops. All right, super excited for all of this. Remember, the socials are down there, the links are down below. Clicking on team, then let's have a look at the team behind Mortal Powers. So we have the Paladin. Okay, our chief and founder comes with over 30 years of diverse technical experience, project manager, partnerships, and integrations. Look at this little sneak of the avatar, insane. The Paragon, okay, which is a professional 3D artist and creative director, probably the one that's designing these. Very interesting. The Luminary, which is the marketing manager and promotions. You can see that this is on my radar, getting on your radar. So if it is a woman, you've done a very good job. Looking over at their Twitter, then, is at the Mortal Powers, 946 followers. Okay, they're doing really well with some organic growth. Look at this. It's just insane, the graphics that you can make nowadays, right? The artist behind this, who I just showed you, is incredible. Okay, get on there, give them a follow, let them know you're from this channel. Let's pump this Twitter up. Let's get this booming. I've got this so early onto your radar. I'm excited, okay? Compete and battle for Ethereum, but you can compete and battle for the Ethereum, all right? Super excited. Okay, now talking about their tokenomics, they don't have a part of that on the website that I can see, but I do have some information for you. Okay, the token obviously is going to be provided as rewards, right? It's used for end game, leveling up powers, versus challenges, tournament style, one-on-one, and you can earn more by battling other gamers. Pretty simple. P2E for practicing within dojo sessions. All right, you could also stake it like I mentioned in the roadmap, and they can be redeemed without unstaking. So you don't have to unstake it to redeem it. Available for trade purchases on Uniswap, which is massive, right? Rewards can also be used to purchase additional NFTs, so you can just keep building up your pile. Now, talking about the pre-sale minting, all right? They're going to have 3 stages with 2 whitelist levels, Platinum and Gold. So Platinum, they got 77 of the rarest NFTs whitelist spots with maximum mint of free. That's going to be launch date 8/25. Okay, so the 25th of the 8th. Gold is going to be 700 whitelist spots with the maximum mint of free. Launch date 8/26. That's the 26th of the 8th. And public sales 7,000 maximum mint of free. Launch date again 8/29. but it's the 29th of the 8th if you're from England. Charitable givings. The Mortal Powers project represents the synergy between earning wages and good deeds. Earn passive income while supporting global humanitarian projects. That's what someone's told me. I've got information from their Discord. Our collection supports the everyday hero, doctors, teachers, police officers, soldiers, etc. All right. NFT holders vote on charitable projects quarterly. I mentioned it in the roadmap, but you can actually start voting on what charities you want to contribute to. And 20% of the Mortal Powers annual revenue is dedicated to these heroic projects, right? So you do have a say, which is super good. So we have literally the ability to donate to charity with someone else's earnings. It's really, really cool. All right, now I'm going to talk about how you get in the whitelist. Having a look through their Discord, they do have giveaways, ETH giveaways, NFT giveaways in here, so please get in there. But I want to say, get in there, let them know you're from this channel, give them some support, all right? They've got loads of whitelist spots coming up. If you want to know how to get on the whitelist, I'm about to show you right now. Get on the whitelist, you've got to go on their Twitter. Like I said, give them a follow. Okay, like and retweet their pinned tweet and tag in 5 friends. Join the MP Realm Discord, which I just showed you. If you do all them, you've got a very good chance to get on the whitelist. All right, they give away ETH, they give away NFT. Super, super excited. Please, please let them know you're from this channel so we can keep our support getting pumped up. There you go, guys. I'm super blessed that I'm the one that gets to bring this to you. A massive thank you to the team here. We all do a really good job, all the way from the top to me, getting this done. Massive thank you to all you that keep supporting us. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe. We can only bring incredible projects like this to you if you keep supporting us. So let's get this together. Let's grow together, and I'll see you on the next video.